Hello guys.
Today we are running.
We are
Yeah.
walking.
We are walking. We
Now we are walking, but we are going to run as soon.
Yes.
And where are we here?
We are here on almost in the mountains.
Almost on the mountain, not
Where?
in.
Where is here?
It is in
Nam Ngam Park.
Nam Ngam Park.
And how we call this mountain? What is
This mountain we call Sang.
11 mountain. You're right. Right.
Not
11
really.
mountain.
Just Lao style like that.
Yeah, but
But
we can call.
yeah, we can call. That's the name. So we don't need
Yeah.
to translate to Lao or English. We don't need to
11
translate to
mountain.
English.
Alright.
We just say direct
View Hotel.
Phu Pha Sang or Phu Sang, not Phu Pha Sang.
Singapore View Hotel.
Yeah, Singapore View Hotel. Yeah, and there are many people here, and also many beautiful girls.
Yes, alright.
Would you like some? I see some over there.
But I'm not sure that
Here, not sure.
not sure that they
Interested you or not?
yes,
Yeah.
of course.
If you no talk, so they no talk to you.
It's okay.
So you need to start first. All right.
Okay, let's see next few minutes.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, so now we are
Run.
going to run.
Okay.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Okay. So now we almost on the.
Get on the mountain.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
of
of course. You're so tired now.
We never ran up to the mountain, and for many years.
Yeah. Long time we can.
Yeah, long time.
We
one
still-
time.
yeah.
So it's so tired,
Yeah.
and now the sun is so beautiful. The sunset now.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful city now.
Okay.
You can turn.
Turn the camera.
Yeah. No. I will.
You can turn like
Yeah.
this.
Oh, beautiful.
You see? There's it clear.
Oh, not clear. Yeah, not so clear. Maybe I will.
But we can turn the camera and
No, the camera. Maybe we can turn because we still taking.
no, I mean if we turn, so we need to
Stop. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. So why you don't take us? Because only you see us.
Okay. Maybe I will turn.
How do you feel now there?
Oh, very tired.
So tired, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we turn and we can
Oh yeah.
Talk.
Okay. Let's see the city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see clear?
Oh yeah.
How do
Very-
we go? Right.
That there. That?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we are right here. Okay.
I'm not really sure about that.
Okay. Hello. Okay.
So hot. So hot.
Yeah,
so
I feel
tired.
hot.
If you run by this, I mean,
Yeah.
But we have
can-
no more time.
We will be strong.
yeah.
But we have no more time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, many people.
Yeah.
Tonight, many people.
Wow. Ooh, if I take my camera here, so maybe I can
Yeah.
take all the people here.
Why today don't you take your camera?
It's very hard to take it.
Just only you, right?
Yeah, and when we run, so
Yeah.
it's very hard to
Really
take.
difficult.
And why tonight? Why tonight your younger brother there don't come with you?
Mr. Mo goes to the farm.
He goes
So,
to the farm.
yeah, so tonight just only me and Mr. Lars stay home.
All right.
Yep.
Why he doesn't come with you?
He still work at home and no one stay home.
No one stay home, right? It's okay. Next
So-
time. Stop.
We can stop and turn to the city. Yeah. So now
Long
it's,
time and no see it like this. No see the city like this.
Yeah.
it's
Long
going
time.
to get dark soon. Soon.
Oh, beautiful sky.
Yeah, you can zoom to see the city. as you want.
Yeah. Yeah, many people here tonight. And so beautiful city. And beautiful pool. This is
We can take their shoe.
what?
Try to take the shoe.
Yes.
Maybe but you start with yeah, and you have you need to make a what are you talking? Sure.